be used for ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ ಸರ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜನರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Useful, sir.
So it's very useful.
Go there itself and
You can send it to the ತಾಲೂಕು ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್.
Nanjapur taluk treating physician, he is taking the decision. ಯಾವ ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
The state government's cabinet subcommittee meeting is underway to discuss on the recommendations made by the technical advisory committee on further measures to be taken to manage COVID-19 situation in the state. Meanwhile, preparations have been increased, isolated wards are prepared, ambulances are set in place, more hospital beds are being arranged and additional preparations are organized by the government hospital. This move comes after 34 cases of COVID-19 subvariant JN1 and 3 deaths were reported in Karnataka. State Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao earlier stated that this increase was expected and added that existing guidelines continue to be in place.
See, we were expecting JN.1 to be there. That's what we've been telling from day one. That JN variant is there, and we have to take precautions. And we had said that we'll be sending it for genome sequencing. Now we had sent many of our samples, and about 34 has come as positive. So definitely, I think more if we test, more will come to know it is JN.1. So that is not a surprising issue. That is expected only.